Hey guys, welcome back to Sawcraft. I know you thought I was finished, but I'm nowhere near done with Jigsaw. He is a disgrace to all mankind, and he deserves to pay, don't you think? Well, I thought so. If you don't, you can just go ahead and quit this video. But if you do, like me, you will want to see his fortress blown to smithereens. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to explore his place with my flint and steel that he gave me, which is kind of ironic. But here we go. I'm going to keep his signs because they're kind of beautiful. Well, the tooth mark. Okay. I'm gonna make a roof over my head. Okay, and boom, boom. Now, Jigsaw, just wanted to say, I need a torch. I'm gonna go place a torch back here. Okay. This is gonna take a while, and I can't pause and stuff because I've still got this crappy just plain recorder. Okay. I'm going to delete this torch. We're gonna have a little bit of fun, aren't we? Yeah, I think I'll be fine. Okay, I'm scared half to death right now because I couldn't move backwards, and then when I turned around there's a high-pitched ringing sound. I'm literally like scared out of my wits right now. This guy has no soul. Oh. Are you ready for this? Oh crap, like this. Oh crap. Cool guys, don't look at it. Holy mother of God. That was amazing. Oh, it blew up some down here too. TNT dropped down here and exploded. It's like 20 creepers came into the same place. Celebratory tree. Okay. Well, hope you had as much fun as I did because I had no fun at all. I hope you had more fun than I did. I mean, man, this guy put a lot of effort into that and I just busted it into a million pieces. But who cares? But alright, well, I guess I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like, as you know what. Make sure to like, blah, 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 you know all that crap. Peace.